Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about G20 Summit, and after the para we will look into the some fill in the blanks. So let's start. The G20 Summit in India. In 2023, India was the place where a big meeting happened. This meeting is called the G20 Summit. At the G20 Summit, leaders from 20 big countries gather together. They talk about important things such as money matters and taking care of our planet. If we talk about fact, the G20 Summit helps countries work together to solve big problems. Now we will look into the fill in the blanks. If you listen or read the above paragraph, then you will able to fill the blanks correctly. Let's start. First, the G20 summit was held in blanks in 2023. What will come here? India. The G20 summit was held in India in 2023. Second, the G in G20 stands for, what will come here? Group. The G in G20 stand for group. The G20 is a group of countries. How many countries involved here? G20, as name said, 20 countries. The G20 summit help countries work together to fill in the blanks big problem. What will come here in the fill in the blanks? G20 summit helps countries work together to solve big problems. So friends, click on subscribe now button to get such like interesting chapters and improve your spoken English. दोस्तों चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को दबाइएगा ताकि इसी तरीके के चैप्टर्स हम लेके आते रहें आपके लिए, और इंग्लिश की जो वर्ड मीनिंग है या फिर स्पोकन से रिलेटेड टिप्स हैं वो आपको मिलते रहें। साथ ही साथ चैनल पे आपको मिलेंगे वर्ड मीनिंग और उसके रिलेटेड वर्ड्स। तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिएगा।